同学们好. Hey, you right? It's Dang Lao Shi here. This is the second of the videos I'm posting about how to do the cooking assessments. So in the first video, I covered how to find the template, open it, make a copy, and share it with me. If you're not sure how to do that, go back and check out the first video. In this video, I want to show you how to use the template and the attached translation table to complete part of the language part of the task. So what you've got, once you've opened it up, you can see I've got the recipe for lemon chicken here. Down the left-hand side of this table, we've got the name of the dish, we've got the ingredients, and we've got the cooking instructions. What we need to do is we've got to get all of that into Chinese on the right-hand side of the table. Now, I've already got the name of the dish, right? I've got the Chinese pinyin, and I've got the Chinese characters. This dish is called lemon chicken. What you need to do, you've got to get the Chinese pinyin and the Chinese characters for all of the ingredients and put them in here. Then you need to translate each of these cooking steps, and we've got to put the Chinese pinyin and the characters over here for each step. So you can see I've already got di ipu di arbu, step 1, step 2, step 3, all the way down to step 5. Now you might think, oh no, how am I going to do that? I don't know any of that Chinese. Well, if we just scroll down, all of the Chinese unit is here. Okay, so you can see that this table here is in the format that we've been practicing in class. Right? This is the order that we make our Chinese sentences in. We start our sentence with take an ad, then we have an ingredient, then we do something to it with a verb for a certain amount of time. So if I wanted to take the chicken and stir fry it for a minute, well, I've got ba for take, 鸡肉 for chicken, 炒 for stir fry, 一 for 1, 分钟 for minutes. So you've got all of the stuff you need in here to make the sentence and to name the ingredients. So all you need to do is take the stuff that's out of here and copy and paste it into the top. So if I start with the ingredients, we look up, we need chicken, lemon juice, flour, sugar, soy sauce, oil. Right, so we just go down, grab them out of the table one by one and paste them up in here. What I would suggest you do, because this table's got formatting in it, I would say rather than trying to do both the characters and the pinyin at the same time, just do one at a time. Because otherwise, if I try and paste that as is up the top, the formatting is going to go slightly weird. So I'm just going to get the character with chicken, Control C to copy, come up here into this part of the table, Control V to paste, and my computer's been a bit slow. Yeah, but there it is, 0, that's chicken. And probably the easiest way to do it, I'm just going to go, I'll just hit enter to make another line. I'll take my pinyin, again, just highlighted it, Control C to copy, Control V to paste, and you can see what I mean about my formatting. It's gone kind of weird. I'll just bring it back over there. So I've got chicken in characters and Chinese pinyin. And then I just go through and I get lemon juice, flour, sugar, go down and get them from the table. That's pretty easy. I'm not going to go through each of those steps. We'll just have a look at how we've got to do the cooking steps. So you can see what I've done with the English here. The format of those sentences is the same as the format in the table. So if we just look at step 2, because it's got all of the things there, we've got take, we've got ingredients, we've got a verb, and we've got a time. So the hard work's been done. Right? We just need to find those words in the table and put them up in here. So our step 1 is just take water and flour, mix. Remember, we don't need and, so we just need to go down and find the words for take, water, flour, mix in our table. So here's take, that's ba. I'm just going to grab the Chinese pinyin because that's the most important one. So I'll copy that. I'm just going to delete the underline here. That's for people who are just doing the handwritten version. We're not writing it, so I just don't need the underline. I'm just going to delete that. So Control V, that's bar. So bar's take. Now I need water and flour. Okay, so I scroll back down, I look at my ingredients. Where's water? Here it is, that's shui. So again, copy that, and I'll put it back up after bar. So now I've got take the water. I need flour and mix. So here's flour. Flour is mian fan. Again, copy my pinyin, bring it up here, Control V to paste. And now I just need the verb for mix. So I go to my verb column. The verb for mix is ban, third time. Control C to copy. Control V to paste. So now I've just translated that sentence. So take water and flour mix in Chinese. Ba shui mian fan ban. Done. So then all I'd have to do is grab the Chinese characters for each of those and put them in underneath for step 1. So I'd delete this, put the characters in. So I can actually do that if you like. So we'll delete that little line there. So we need bar. So we take our Chinese character, Control C, Control V. It's a bit bigger than the others, but that's okay, we don't mind. And take our water, Control C, Control V. Now we need flour, Mianfan, Control C, Control V, and then mix, bam. Get my character, Control C, Control V. So that's step one. All right, I've got my Chinese pinyin, Ba Shui, Mianfan, bam. And I've got the Chinese characters, Ba Shui, Mianfan, bam. Then I just go through and repeat for step 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's done. All right, so that's not difficult. Okay, so the first step you need to do, that's all it is. You know, all the language you need. If you're using a template, all the language you need is down there, and you pop it up into your table, and you're good to go. Remember, really important that you've shared this with me so that I can make sure that that's all correct and help you with any mistakes you might have made. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. Hope it's helpful. Again, if you've got any questions about this, post them in the classroom. I'll get onto them as quickly as I can. Thanks, everybody.